Ethereum value equivalent to 35,258 rands a coin. The present cost range, 34,434, 35,282. The earlier day close, 34,684. The change was plus 574. Plus 1.65%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month, Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 34,765 rands, high 37,199, low 32,331. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost 36,488 rands, high 39,042. Low 33,934. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 38,070 rands. High 40,735. Low 35,405. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 29. Cost 38,435 rands. High 41,125. Low 35,745. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost 38,228 rands, high 40,904, low 35,552. Ethereum figure on Monday, July 3, cost 38,185 rands, high 40,858. Low 35,512. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 38,821 rands, high 41,538, low 36,104. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost 39,251 rands, high 41,999, low 36,503. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 36,936 rands, high 39,522, low 34,350. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost 36,603 rands, high 39,165, low 34,041. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 35,949 rands, high 38,465, low 33,433. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost 35,734 rands, high 38,235, low 33,233. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost 33,890 rands, high 36,262, low 31,518. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 33,405 rands, high 35,743, low 31,067. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 33,439 rands, high 35,780, low 31,098. Ethereum gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 32,342 rands, high 34,606, low 30,078. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost 33,709 rands, high 36,069, low 31,349. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost 32,349 rands, high 34,613, low 30,085. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost 32,342 rands, high 34,606, low 30,078. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Friday, July 21, cost 31,814 rands, high 34,041, low 29,587. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 33,567 rands, high 35,917, low 31,217. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost 33,432 rands, high 35,772, low 31,092. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. and 2027 Ethereum cost forecast for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 36,941 rands, exorbitant cost 41,125, while low cost 29,547. The found the middle value of cost 36,460. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 38,228, change for June 3.5%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. To start with, cost at 38,228 rands, exorbitant cost 45,093, while low cost 29,587. The found the middle value of cost 38,763. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 42,143. Change for July 10.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. To start with, cost at 42,143 rands, exorbitant cost 48,724, while low cost 42,143. The found the middle value of cost 44,637. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 45,536, change for August 8.1%. Ethereum gauge for September 2023. To start with, cost at 45,536 rands, exorbitant cost 51,430, while low cost 44,700. The found the middle value of cost 47,433. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 48,065, change for September 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at 48,065 rands, excessive cost 56,730, while low cost 48,065. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 51,470. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 53,019, change for October 10.3%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2023. At the outset, cost at 53,019 rands, excessive cost 60,442, while low cost 52,534. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 55,621. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 56,488. Change for November 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at 56,488 rands, excessive cost 70,113, while low cost 56,488. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 62,154. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 65,526, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2024. At the outset, cost at 65,526 rands, excessive cost 65,526, while low cost 55,730. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 61,677. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 59,925, change for January 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Initially, cost at 59,925 rands, excessive cost 59,925, while low